Upgraded design. This direct replacement door handle includes an added gasket to prevent water intrusion. Matching appearance. Made of textured black plastic to match look and feel of the original handle on your vehicle. Seamless replacement. Designed to match dimensions and specifications of the stock handle. Quality engineering. Designed in the United States and backed by decades of automotive aftermarket experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Door handles often corrode and fail over time due to corrosion and debris intrusion. This Dorman OE FIX direct replacement features an additional gasket for a better seal and longer life. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement option. Product fit like the original and bolted right up.